So basically, we are going to start the interview. So firstly, tell us about SCHEMERSAL mission for Indian market.
Okay, so SCHMERSAL has a very clear vision for the Indian market. It is to make the workplaces safer. So wherever a man and machine work together, both needs to be safe. So if you see, we have also mentioned it here very clearly. The DNA of safety is SCHMERSAL.
Okay.
So making safe work environments is the mission of SCHMERSAL in India. And for that, we not only supply the solutions here, but we also take care to do a lot of awareness and trainings for the safety of the people in the plants.
That's great. That's great, sir. And what the uniqueness of your product?
SCHMERSAL basically makes the safety products, and hence the most important thing is the testing of the products. So if you see, most of the SCHMERSAL products are certified by the international bodies. They have been tested for millions of operations. If you take simple switches like the position switches which are used in the industry, we always give the switches with a positive opening contact. So the workers, whenever they operate the contact, they are sure that the switch will always operate. For the electronic things, we normally have dual processors. So safety in terms of all the aspects in all the SCHMERSAL products is always taken care of.
Okay. And as you know, that industry is upgrading himself day by day. So how your plan for the innovation and how your product innovation going to happen in Indian market?
Actually, we already have a big line of products which are highly innovative. So if you see, we can start with here. If you see here, we basically have the entire range of safety controllers. So we normally have safety relays, which is very popular in the Indian market. But now we have an intermediate range which is called the safety controllers, and with this we have a further range of the safety PLCs also. Another unique product which is a part of the which has come up from innovations is the safety field box.
Okay.
With these complex things increasing, you see more and more sensors are being used on a particular equipment.
Right.
So it is very necessary to have the individual diagnostics. Which sensor has failed? What is the status of each sensor? And all this can be easily possible with the help of devices like the feed box. It is very easy to connect. You get a lot of diagnostics and makes the fault detection very easy.
Okay.
Another new innovation is this. If you see here, this is the latest, you can say the smallest interlock which is available for the entire industry.
Okay.
It is AZM40 and it has also received various international awards.
Okay. And how does it work?
It is basically the most smallest interlock. You have an actuator here. The uniqueness of this product is the size, but when it is made in compact in size, the safety levels are the highest what we can achieve. And similarly, this actuator is very peculiar. It can be used with all types of doors, whether it is sliding, hinged, or any types of doors.
Okay, that's great. And what are the new trend in safety automation?
Basically, we are observing a lot of good change in the safety automation field. You know, previously, whenever there was an incident, when there was an accident, SCHMERSAL used to be called okay, why this accident happened. But now people are more proactive. They normally call us to do a risk assessment. Now, even one step ahead, they call us to do the design risk assessment. That means whenever they're designing a machine, they take care to incorporate all the safety aspects. And after this has been prepared, they also take care to do the necessary validations. So this is a very unique trend, a positive trend which we observe in the Indian industry. There are various softwares which are available from SCHMERSAL. For example, for the most difficult equipments like the press machine, you need to measure the stop time of the presses. So the devices are used where you can actually measure the stop times, and these are being used extensively by the industry here. The various softwares which are used for programming of the safety PLC or the field box are also freely available. It makes the life of the designers very easy.
Okay, okay, great. And after long, this automation expo is happening. So what's your expectation?
We are very happy to be here actually, and the major expectation is that we have made these complete solutions for the customers. This is a very good platform where a customer can actually see the actual implementation of all the sensors.
Right.
We are expecting that more and more visitors are here who could see this presentation, and today we saw a lot of visitors who are really interested in this solutions from us.
Okay. And when we talk about value adding, so how is commercial adding value to their customers?
Basically, we start getting involved with the customers right from their design stage. We are able to incorporate value by giving them a design where the accidents or the hazards would be less. In addition to that, we also take care if there is a hazard which is permanent, we definitely give the proper solutions to them. We are doing a lot of trainings, as I mentioned. You also see that we try to create a lot of awareness in the market. So, for example, there are a lot of the BIS is going to adopt a lot of Indian norms, ISO norms into Indian standards, and we are also informing customers about it to keep them updated about it.
Okay. And can we see the live demo of safety?
Yes. So here you see right now the robot is working, and I am telling you, if you just step inside the hazardous zone, the robot would stop working. So you can please try.
Okay.
So you see that the robot has stopped working. So with this, we have designed a cell which has got all the safety parameter, and then we have the safety devices. You can see here, this is the safety light curtain, and there here we have the interlocks, the BDF, which is a control unit, and of course the safety PLCs for monitoring the whole system.
Okay. So basically, who's your core customers?
If you talk, we are, as I said, we basically deal where man and machine work together, and this is present all across the industry. So whether it is packaging, food, pharma, material handling, warehousing, all these places, these are our specific customers.
Okay. Great. Nice talking with you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you
very
so much.
Yeah.
Thanks for time.
Yeah.
Thank you.